Androids Tech here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video slash vlog, what I'll be showing you guys how to do is how to get inside your HP notebook if you have one that's like this model, which is the HP 15, and anything pretty much similar to it in build, and you want to know how to replace your hard drive, how to replace the battery. You're confused where the battery is located. The battery is actually inside it right here underneath the touchpad, but if you want to know how to get into it, basically, so you can replace parts like that for yourself, like you want to upgrade the memory, you might want to just upgrade the hard drive because the one you have is too small, or your battery might not be working and you want to replace it. Watch this and it'll show you how to get into the HP 15s and get stuff done like that. So this one here, the issues with it was brought into me today by one of my customers. She said she was using it and it fell from a pretty high place, and ever since then it would not work properly. It's been giving hard drive error ever since. Every now and again the system software would try to repair the hard drive, but because it's physically damaged, the repair doesn't work. So I'll have to replace our hard drive and then reinstall the operating system on there, and that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to remove our hard drive and just to see if it actually got moved out of place. Sometimes that do happen, but I'm pretty sure that's not the case with this one. It's just done. You know, these things were not made to absorb any crazy amount of damage. So usually if they fall and it's from a high level, it'll probably affect the hard drive first before it affects anything else. So that's pretty much what this one will be, you know. So just, you know, stay tuned, and you know, if you enjoy the video and it was of any help to you, you know, just smash a like. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, let's dig in. Alright, so you might be wondering where the screws are. There's two here, as you can see. There's screws underneath here and screws underneath here. So first you got to get these two out, then you get the ones that's underneath here, and then you start to pry. You'll be able to pry the case open, and that should be all you have to do to get going. Alright, so let's start.
This one is one screw.
And there you have it. That's all you got to do, and you're in. You have access to the parts that you more likely want to or need to replace. You have the hard drive right here, You have the battery right here, memory. The CPU is underneath here, and this is your cooler heat sink to cool the CPU. And then this is your Wi-Fi card right there. And yeah, this the rest of this is the motherboard. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. And then the rest is straightforward. Once you get to this point, you should be able to handle the rest, but I'll be going ahead and removing this hard drive because I have to put in a new one. There you go. 500 gig hard drive. It also is on the laptop casing as well, but sometimes those get pretty rubbed off and you can't see it and you need to know what size it is. It's usually on the hard drive itself. So there you go. So yeah, so this is pretty much all I need for this laptop, but for the other stuff that you guys might need, you needed to replace a battery. It's right here. All you have to do is just undo these two screws and disattach the cable that's here, and you'll have the battery free. And if you're trying to upgrade memory, or like this here, it has an extra slot to upgrade to put more memory. You go, the extra memory you bought goes here. Or if you're trying to replace this, you just open these two and it comes right out. Pretty easy. So hopefully this video was of help for you, and I'll see you in the next one.